So in this video, I'm going to be going over what are local citations and why are they important for SEO. So local citations, also known as directories, are different places online where you can find information about your local business. Most of you guys know what Yellow Pages is. That's probably the most common one out there, and Google My Business and stuff like that. So what these citations do pretty much is they collect data for all the different businesses. They'll have your NAP information, hours, email, stuff like that, all laid out there. And then users, if they go on the directory to search for something, let's say, in this example, we go over rental cars. If they're searching for rental cars in San Francisco, they'll come across different businesses and find their information. So you get that aspect of it. And the other aspect is for local SEO. Google looks at a bunch of different local citations and stuff like that, and it's been a well-known ranking factor for both Google My Business and local rankings. So we'll just take a look at this. I use a tool, which I'm going to put down in the description down below if you want to check your local citations. So I ran a scan for City Rent-A-Car, and you can see like 78% of their listings are inaccurate. And 34% have better listings and reviews. So this tool goes in here, right? Finds out all the information, makes sure the name of the business is correct, phone number, and the location, your NAP information, right? But it goes down and you can see detects what's wrong and which ones are missing, which is really important with that. So with local SEO, you want to make sure all of these are set up and you don't have the incorrect information. If you have incorrect information, your rankings are going to go down and people are going to call the wrong phone number or go to the wrong address. Like if you take a look at this is 349 Mason Street. This is versus 1433 Bush Street, and that's Foursquare and Yahoo. The correct one is 349, but you can see Foursquare is pretty popular. So having the wrong information here, someone might go to the wrong address. I think there's stuff here also with the wrong phone number, if I remember correctly, or maybe it's just the address. Oh, here's another wrong address, 1500 Van Ness. And then the wrong phone number right here for AmericanTowns.com, 415928. So pretty much it's really important to make sure that your citations are cleaned up. Make sure that your NAP, email, everything like that is consistent across the board. Again, it helps out with local rankings, and it helps out if people go on these different directories and try to find your business. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, and then check down in the description if you want to get a report like this for your business. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.